Good morning, students. Now we take how to calculate the capital on interest. Okay. So we have to do the exercise sum. Number 5. Mannan and Ramesh share profits and losses in the ratio 15,000, 1,50,000 and Ramesh 1 lakh respectively. And their current accounts show a credit balance of 25,000 and 20,000 respectively. Calculate interest on capital at 6% for the year ending 31st March 2019. So we have to first calculate the capital on interest. So Mannan, how much the capital? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Mannan. What is the interest on capital? 6%. So 6 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel. What is the answer? 9,000. So this is the capital interest on capital is Mannan. Next, Ramesh. What is the amount? 1 lakh. Interest on capital is 6 divided by 100. 6,000 is interest. Okay. So next we do the journal. Show the journal entries. So date, particulars, debit side, debit and credit. So what is the interest on capital? Interest on capital is interest on capital account, debit. Total amount is 9,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 15,000. So it's a debit side. 15,000 to Mannan's capital account and to Ramesh capital account. $9,000 and 6,000. Okay, so interest on capital. You understand? Okay. Next we move. Sixth question. Prakash and Supriya were partners who shared profits and losses under capital 5 is profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Balance in their capital accounts on 1st April 2018 was Prakash 3 lakhs and Supriya 2 lakhs. Prakash introduced additional capital of 60,000 on July 1st. Supriya introduced additional capital of 30,000 during the year. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2019 and show the journal entries. First we calculate the capital interest on capital. Prakash. First, Prakash. What is the capital amount? Capital amount is equal to 3 lakhs. What is the interest? 6%. So 6 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel. What is the amount? 3 6 are 18. 0, 0. 18,000. Next one, Supriya. What is the capital amount? 2 lakhs. Into 6 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 12,000. So, this is the total interest. And additional capital on 1st July 2018, Prakash introduced additional capital is rupees 60,000. So, we have to calculate for the additional capital on 1st July. Additional capital. Additional capital is Prakash 60,000 into, what is the rate of interest? 6 divided by 100 into on July. On July means how many months? So 9 months. 1st April 2018 is a accounting year. So April, May, June, July. So next 9 divided by 12. 9 divided by 12. 0, 0, 0, 0. We can cancel. Next 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. 1 2s are 2, 300. 300 into 9 is equal to 2,700. So totally Prakash interest on capital is 18,000 plus 2,700. Next, Supriya additional capital is 30,000 into 6 by 100 into how many months? How many months? During the year means calculate the additional capital of Supriya 30,000 during the year means we have to calculate only for the 6 months only. So during the year means into 6 divided by 12. During the year means we have to calculate only 6 by 12 months. Okay. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 1 2s are 2 and 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 for 6 months. This is 9 months. So, total capital on Prakash. Total capital on Prakash is equal to first capital interest on capital is 18,000 plus 2,700, totally 20,700. Next, total capital on Supriya is equal to, what is the amount? 12,000 plus 900 is equal to 12,900. So, we should show the journal entries. particulars, date, debit, credit. So interest on capital is capital account. Debit side, debtor 33,600 to Prakash capital account, to Supriya capital account 20,700, 12,900 K. So interest on capital entered. Interest on capital entered. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Next sum. The capital account of Begum and Fatima on 1st January 2018 showed a balance of rupees 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. On 1st October 2018, Begum introduced on additional capital of rupees 10,000. On 1st May 2018, Fatima introduced an additional capital of rupees 9,000. So, we have to calculate the interest on capital is at 4% per annum for the year ending 31st December. Begum what is the capital amount? 50,000 into what is the interest rate of interest is 4%. So 4 divided by 100, 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel, 2,000. Next, Fatima 40,000 into 4 divided by 100, 0, 0 cancel, 1,600. Next, we have to calculate for the additional capital. Additional capital, interest on capital. Additional capital. On 1st October 2018, Begum introduced on additional capital of 10,000. October means how many months? 3 months. So 10,000. Rate of interest is 4 divided by 100 into 3 months divided by 12. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. 0, 0, 0, 0. 100 into 4, 4, 4 cancel. So what is the amount? 100. Next. Fatima's additional capital. What is the amount? 9,000 into 4 by 100 into how many months? On 1st May 2018. So 8 months. 8 divided by 12. 1 8s are, sorry, 2 fours are 8, 3 fours are 12. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 threes are 3, 3 threes are 9, 0. So 3 fours are 12, 12 twos are 24, 240. So Fatima's interest on capital is 1600 plus 240. So totally Fatima interest on capital is 1840. Next, Prakash, the Begum capital is Begum 2000 plus 100. Begum interest on capital is 2000 plus 100 is equal to 2100 rupees. Okay, so interest on capital is 2100. Okay, do you understand? Yes, good. Next one. Eighth question. From the following balance sheet of Shubha and Sudha. Okay, so liabilities and assets are given that we have to calculate for the drawing of Subha and Sudha during the year were rupees 8,000 and 10,000 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 30,000. So we have to calculate the interest on capital. First, Shubha and Sudha. What is the capital amount? Capital is equal to 40,000. Sudha is 60,000. Next, drawings. Sudha drawings means we have to add this. So drawings. Drawings how much? 8,000. Next, 10,000. So totally 48,000. So the 70,000. Okay. Profit. Less profit. Profit நம்ம less பண்ணிரணும். எவ்வளோ profit இருக்கு? 12,000. So profit எடுத்தாச்சு. So profit less பண்ணிரணும். 12,000, 18,000. 48,000 subtracted by 12,000 is equal to 36,000. And 70,000 minus 18,000 is equal to 52,000. So total capital amount is 36,000 and then 52,000 we have to calculate for the interest on capital. Interest on capital is 36,000. What is the rate of interest? 5% into 5 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. So rupees 1,800. Next, this is for Subha. And Sudha interest on capital is 52,000 into 5 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. 2,600. So we find out the interest on capital for Sudha and Subha. Okay, do you understand? Thank you, students.